Hey guys, what's up? I'm an essential oil specialist at National Nutrition, and we're here to give you all your essential oil reviews with Aromapathic Labs. Today we are going to be talking all about lemongrass oil. Did you know that lemongrass oil is actually a perennial and it's related to citronella? When I hear of lemongrass, I think of Thai cuisine because it's used so much in Thai culture and in Thai cooking. However, Aromapathic Labs sources their lemongrass for their essential oil from India. Lemongrass is, well, of course, a grass. It grows in chunks and it has long greenish, grayish blades. These blades are then crushed down and steam distilled, so the essential oil is extracted, giving us a 100% pure oil. Aromapathic Labs uses steam distillation for their oil to keep its integrity and purity intact, as opposed to other extraction methods like solvent extraction, which can leave nasty residues behind. Lemongrass oil helps to relieve muscle pain. It's a great antioxidant. It has antibacterial properties, and it's also a great sleep aid. The main active ingredient in lemongrass is citral, which helps give it its lemony scent. So lemongrass smells like very fresh, it's stimulating, it's uplifting. It has that lemony freshness, but it also has like a spicy note like ginger. It's very unique actually in its scent profile. It would be considered more of a top note in a fragrance, and that's because it's very light and bright, whereas your base notes are those heavier, more spicy, herbaceous scents. Lemongrass blends well with lavender, so that gives it great sleeping properties when mixed well together. It also blends well with, well, lemon oil, and the antibacterial fighting from that powerful duo will make a great household cleaner. And it also blends well with the herbaceous rosemary. The herbaceous rosemary would be the base note in that profile, the lemongrass that bright top note, and both of them when paired together help relieve muscle soreness. So if you're working out or doing a lot of gardening in the summertime, this is a great blend to put on your skin when diluted properly, so you can get your muscles springing back into action in no time and work on that summer beach bod you've been looking for. So there you have it, all the lemony freshness you could ask for. I hope you enjoyed our essential oil review on Aromapathic Labs lemongrass oil, and we hope to catch you guys on the next one. Bye!